charm in flawed creation. In every crack, there's fascination. In every scar, a story's patience. Imperfect tales, intold elation.
Speckled canvas holds the memories where perfection could have been. Your eyes, the truth lies, a thousand splendid faults that beauty buys.
See the dance of shadows intertwine. Every flaw's a stitch in time. A mosaic made from broken lines. A masterpiece from what's declined. See the charm and flawed creation. In every crack, there's fascination. In every scar, a story's patience. Imperfect tales, intold elation.
Speckled canvas holds the memories where perfection could have been. Your eyes, the truth lies, a thousand splendid faults that beauty buys.
The elegance in the years we faced. In every longing, a gentle trace. In all the tears, the strength we praise. In life's rough draft, a perfect friend. See the dance of shadows intertwine. Every flaw's a stitch in time. A mosaic made from broken lines. A masterpiece from what's declined. In every heart, loser friends and of thorns, and dear all friends in thorn and spleen, or still see a bind by stone line, dismal in your mind.
Through the disarray,
Disarray,
charm in flawed creation. In every crack, there's fascination. In every scar, a story's patience. Imperfect tales, untold elation.
Speckled canvas holds the memories where perfection could have been. Your eyes, the truth lies, the thousand splendid faults that beauty buys.
See the dance of shadows intertwine. Every flaw's a stitch in time. A mosaic made from broken lines. A masterpiece from what's declined.
See the charm